Hello stalkers, welcome back. Interesting session in both the markets, and as expected we are seeing a nice bounce in both the markets. Let's start analyzing, but before that, if you are new on this channel, subscribe it for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And yes, a special request, after watching this video, if you think it was helpful, then please do not forget to support the channel, hit the like button. So on the daily chart of DFM market index, we are seeing a nice decisive candle, that too after a negative green candle that was printed in Friday's session. From here, we were expecting a downside momentum. Thankfully, international markets performed very well, they showed strength. That's the reason we saw financial markets recovering, or at least they have taken a bounce the way we saw today in our markets. Today's closing is at 5,171 points. Now this bounce, as I mentioned, this was quite predicted because of the international markets effect. If at all today USA market fails to perform, if at all it's deep in red, then this gain will be given out most likely. Most of the stocks tomorrow will open with a gap down and we may see a new low very soon in DFM market index. This is analysis number one. Analysis number two, if at all international markets are performing good, if at all geopolitical situations are positive, there is nothing bad news in the world, then most likely we will see a continuation. In this scenario, we again have a hurdle at 5,226, that is strong resistance. This would be a test for the market. If at all market wants to be bullish again, then it has to break above this zone and close above 5,226 points to consider it to be in bullish territory. So till the time it's trading between this zone, mark it on your charts as well, that is 5,115 to 5,226. There are chances it may just linger here and it can make a new low very soon, potentially breaking the low that it made last week at 5,975 points. So this will obviously be the area that we all are looking forward for, and we do not want market to come into this zone. If at all bulls are aggressive and as I mentioned there is no negativity, then there are chances we may see upside move. As of now, overall we are clearly seeing DFM market index is going through its corrective phase after a nice bullish momentum to the upside. Recently we saw minor correction area right here, and from here we saw a leg to the upside. It was not sustainable from here. Right at the top I had mentioned correction is due and we may see a deep downside momentum. I am still expecting market to come around this zone that I had mentioned in my earlier video, that is around 4,500 to 4,800 points. Hopefully I'm wrong, we do not see this zone. As I just mentioned, if at all market is showing strength, then I want to see clearance and close above this zone to consider it bullish. Overall, DFM market is going through a correction phase. Green candle closing in ADX market index also, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Today's candle is very positive. Volume is also good. Last week we saw a rejection candle, that too just near our resistance zone, that is 9,404 points. We saw another dodgy candle in Friday's session, but as international markets are bouncing up, we also got the effect and market followed the suit. Closing is at 9,450 points. Again, this should not be considered very bullish. We are definitely seeing a bounce, but I would be only positive when I see a closing about 9,500 points. This is psychological and technical resistance for ADX market. If at all it can print a solid green candle and close above this zone, then there are high chances we may see more upside momentum, or at least we may see a follow through till about 9,563 points. That is next area of resistance. Overall, I am still negative. There are very high chances that this momentum may not survive and we may see a new low breaking this swing low that was at around 9,200 points. Strong support area as of now stands at 9,352, then we have 9,245 and then 9,160. If at all market is not able to break past and close above this zone, then there are very good chances it may hit the resistance and make a new low very soon. Either it may go sideways from here, try to establish a base. If that does not happen, it will make a chart pattern. In case if we see a break to the downside, then be ready, it can come down, break 9,245. Hopefully that does not happen and I'm wrong. I want to see market climbing up again, breaking the resistance so that we can expect more upside momentum in ADX market. Overall, the index is under pressure. It's going through a correction phase. One of the stock listed in ADX market is Apex. It's looking very good. Previously, we rode this trend to the upside. This was the resistance area. Me and my members offloaded our quantities right at the resistance and we came out. By the way, if you are interested to join my YouTube membership, scan the QR code. Link is also in the description box for detailed analysis with my entries and exit. Looking at today's candle close, it's showing good signals that there are chances we may see a continuation. I had recommended this stock in my yesterday's members video. Entry should be planned about this resistance area, that is 4.23. Today we are seeing a nice candle close about this zone. It's right into the resistance, that is 4.29. Nevertheless, this is giving us a good signal that now immediate resistance is broken. We can clear cut see that market has broken this resistance. Candle is positive, volume is increasing. There are chances we may see a dip to the downside. This should be considered buying opportunity. In that scenario, where is the support zone? Well, this 4.20 to 4.16, this area is demand zone. If at all it comes down into this zone, this should be considered as buying area. From here I'm expecting another leg to the upside till about 4.45, 4.46. These are the resistance areas. Another scenario is there are chances, if at all market is very positive, bulls are aggressive, then it may continue going higher. So plan of action should be very simple. If at all it opens flat or with a gap up, we can take very small quantities here, because still there are chances it can come down to retest this support zone and then make a new high. So if at all you enter with big quantities right at the resistance, this can be a mistake. Better let it come down. You can add more quantities here because the stop loss will be very small. You can place your stop loss around 4.09. Small quantities here, more quantities here, and we are expecting more upside momentum. Any entries till the time markets are volatile, till the time we are having negativity in the markets, you should be only planning quick entry and exit strategy. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.